Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls joins in for a quick technical check on the market. Sachi, we've been meandering in this 26,050 to 26,250 sort of range for the frontline index. Right now, we're at the lower end of the range. No concerns around that. But were we to break down from here, what is the next important support?
Good morning, Mangalam. Good morning, Nigel. I think if you look at the Nifty performance for the last three trading sessions, the decline has been very gradual, but it has not been able to, surpass its 5-day exponential moving average resistance, which is placed somewhere close to around 25,130. So I think that will be 26,130. So I think that will be a very significant level to track from here on. In fact, today what we have observed is that the 26,050 mark has been breached and there is no respite as of now. So probably we may see the Nifty extending its decline towards its 50-day exponential moving average support, which is placed somewhere close to around 25,920. So we may see this particular decline extending a bit. It's not a major correction. There are no major signs of any reversal, but I think after a long rally that we have seen in the last 4 weeks, it probably this looks like a decent correction within the overall uptrend. So I think the level that we should track on the higher side is 26,130 unless we don't see a closing established above the same. The chances of a reversal look weak, and probably we may see further slippages towards 25,920.
Okay, all right. So you'll not be a buyer in this dip.
Good morning, Nigel. Nigel, I think there are pockets of strength when we look at stock-specific action, but definitely on the Nifty, the support at 26,000 is very significant. So probably we may see some slippages, but ideally one should be aggressive about 26,130. But on a decline, in case if we get that particular level of 25,920 in a day or so, then probably one can look for some contra bets on the long side.
Got it. All right. Contra bet on the long side, 25,920 is the important mark on the downside. Got that, Sachi. What about individual stocks?
Nigel, I think there's clear pressure on metals. And if you look at Vedanta after 21 days of an up move, this is the first time that we have seen it, not only slipping below its 5-day exponential moving average support, but also breaching the 20-day mark. So I think the 600 support from a put writer's perspective has been breached. We may see further slippages in this particular counter, and that's why we are recommending short positions here. One can keep a stop loss at 604. We may see a quick move towards 588. I think that will be a decent level wherein profits should be covered. And on the higher side, on the bullish side, I think Eternal is showing signs of relative strength. We have already seen a low top, low bottom sequence in progress. But if you look at last two trading sessions, the 280, 285 mark has been very significant. We have seen a breakout on its 60-minute scale from a declining wedge formation. We may see a move towards its 50-day exponential moving average, which is placed at around 296. And hence, we have recommended building long positions for our clients with a stop loss at 283 in Eternal.
Right. Do you have a call on the Nifty Bank? The last two trading sessions weren't as good, but right now it's outperforming the frontline index.
Clearly, I think the weightage is on ICICI Bank, and we've already seen a surge in ICICI Bank for the last 5 trading sessions. If you look at Nifty bank data, I think 60,000, 60,300 is the immediate range. Even here, there are no major signs of weakness, but probably in case if we see, ICICI Bank, giving up some of its profits, then probably we may see that 60,000 level also getting, breached on the lower side. So I think it's better to wait for the clear-cut reversal to shape up, at least on the Nifty, and then probably we may see a further leadership from the Nifty Bank pack. But as of now, I think it's better to wait and watch for that level of 26,130 on the Nifty. In case that particular level is breached, then one can be aggressive on the banking side.
All right, take that point. Thank you so much, Sachi, for joining in and giving us your view on the index and individual stocks. Let's get you some more ideas for profit.